Hey everyone, it's Cole from GearSight, and today we're going to learn how to add and edit elements in Visual Composer. Visual Composer is a front-end editor that makes updating your WordPress website a breeze. Starting from the admin dashboard, we're going to see all our pages by clicking on the Pages menu item. Hover over the page you want to change and select Edit with Visual Composer. Now that our page is loaded, we are in the Visual Composer editor. To edit an element, simply hover over it. You'll now see a tree view of all the parents of that element, located right here. You'll always see a row in a container, but you may see additional parent elements depending on the situation. The element you have hovered over will show up on the far right-hand side of the parent elements. By hovering over the element in the menu, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to edit, duplicate, copy, or remove the element. Click Edit and a sidebar will appear where you can mess around with some settings. The general settings are dependent on the element. For example, on a Google Fonts heading, which we have here, we could change the text, font family, boldness, and more. If we scroll down, we can see the design options. The design options are pretty consistent between elements. Here you can adjust the margin, padding, and border of an element, as well as its background color. For example, we could change this one to red. To add a new element to your page, you can either use the shortcut Shift-A, or you can click on the Add button in the upper left corner. This will open a sidebar with a list of elements you can add to a page. Use the search function if you have a lot of elements installed. We're going to add a section, which is a container that can fit multiple rows of elements. In the general settings, we could change the width to full width. Now we'll go to the design options and add padding to give our content some room. We'll just do 5 VH on the top and the bottom, and 8 VW, which stands for 8% of the view width on the left and right. We can also change the background color in the design options, as we talked about earlier. Now let's add an image to the center of this column. We do that by clicking Add Element on the center of the row. Then we can search for single image. Now we can look through our media library by clicking the Edit or Replace Image button in the general settings. And we can go to our media library, or we can upload our own image. So we'll go with this guy. Now we can do things like center the image and adjust its size. So we'll center by going to alignment, and for size we can change it to medium to make it quite a bit smaller. To save our page, we click on the check mark located on the bottom left corner. And now, if we view our page, we can see that the content we added is live. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of Visual Composer. If you have any questions, fill out the contact form on our website. The link is in the description. I've been Cole from GearSight. Have a great day.